Good morning. It's Mrs. Mercer again, and we're ready for our next phonics lesson. I think this one is number 8. And we've been talking about vowel teams. So write this word with me. B-O-A-T. Now let's mark our vowels. That's right, it's the O and the A. And what do we do to those vowels? That's right, we hook them together because they're working together. And this is another way to get the door open. So when I look next to my O, there's my friend A. And A is going to do what? That's right. It's going to push that door open. So just mark out the A because that's all that vowel is doing there. Because she pushes open the door, what's the O going to do? That's right. O is going to say its name. So we put a macron on its head. There's only one vowel sound, even though there's 2 vowels, because only the O is making a sound. So let's go back and touch our sounds to find out what this word is. B-oat, boat. That's right. Vowel teams working together push the door open so that the first vowel says his name. Okay, let's try another one. Are you ready? Write with me. P-A-I-D. Good. Now, let's mark our vowels. You go ahead, mark them. I'll see if you get them right. Of course you did. You marked your A and your I. Good job. Now hook them together. What's that I going to do? Doesn't get to say anything. He's just going to push the door open so that we can put a macron on top of the A. There's only one vowel sound, so there's only one syllable scoop. And let's go back and touch our sounds. P-aid, paid. Good. We paid the bills on Friday. Paid. That marker doesn't want to erase very well. Okay, let's try our next one. So write the word B, the letter B, E, A, C, H. And mark your vowels. That's right, we're going to mark the E and the A. And we're going to hook them together. Does anyone else notice what else needs to happen here? Yep, we've got to underline a digraph. Now that vowel can still push open that door because that's one sound. So we're going to cross out the A, put a macron on the E, one syllable scoop, and let's do our sounds. B-each, beach. Don't we wish we could all be at the beach right now, playing in the ocean? Erase, erase, erase. And let's write our next word, our next vowel team word. C-R-E-E-K. Give you a second to write that. And I bet you've already got your vowels marked, so I'm going to catch up with you. And I'm hooking them together. That second E there is going to open the door so that E can say his name. No digraphs in here, just letter sounds. So let's touch our sounds and figure out what this word is. K-er-eek. I got to put that blend together a little better to figure this word out. Eek. Creek. Good job. And our last vowel team word for today. Ready? Write this word with me. S-P R A Y. Uh-oh. I slipped in that Y as a vowel. We talked about that way back at the beginning. So I'm going to mark both vowels, and guess what? There's not even a door there. But when A comes at the end of the word and the door is open, it's always because there's a Y there. Y doesn't say anything. Just making sure that door stays open for the A. We've got a big 3-part blend at the beginning, so this one might be hard for us to sound out, but I bet you can do it. So let's do it. A. A. Spray. That's right. You decoded the word spray. Notice again, when the A comes at the end, there's always a Y there with him to make sure nobody gets in the way and A can say his name. You know, in our little words like me and so and I, they don't need anybody else to make sure their door stays open, but A does. So in words like spray and day and may and pay, we add that Y there because A just needs somebody to make sure that door stays open so she can say her name. Tomorrow we'll start working on the R-controlled syllable. So if you get a chance on my Google Classroom, watch the video from the Bossy R by the electric company. Okay, we'll see you tomorrow.